2019 Lincoln Navigator. They did a nice little upgrade on this joint though. This joint looked totally different. The fascia was a beast though. This joint nice. Look at this joint. Let me get y'all looking at the inside real quick. Quick view. I'm gonna show y'all the inside real quick. What he's asking about the Jeep?
No, I told him the Jeep because he pulled up in front of the Jeep.
Ain't nobody called that nigga.
No, he said he got run.
Now if you called the cops, they'd never show up. Look at this joint. All your memory seats and shit on the door. Typical Lincoln type shit. Don't get it confused, y'all. It is a Ford, so man, this shit is nice though. I just did a tune-up on a 2017 Navigator. So here you guys go. The 2019, totally different. The leather, premium leather, different drive modes, the typical shit that come in these newer cars. Digital gauges, sunroof. Damn, sunroof go from front to back on the SUV. This joint is clean. It's clean. I ain't gonna keep y'all too long though with this. You know what I mean? Is that like a 12-inch, 15-inch screen right there? Let's see what type engine is in this joint real quick. It's probably the 3.5. More than likely it's a 3.5. It's clean though, y'all. It's clean. It's clean. Super clean. Navigator. That's nice. Let's see what's under the hood real quick. Yeah, how you open this joint up? Hold on. Damn. This joint is nice. What is this? It gotta be a 3.5. I just did a tune-up on this shit. Yeah, it's a 3.5. Yep, 3.5 V6. How y'all put a V6 in this big ass truck? But yep, there you go. Ain't nothing but a Ford Expedition. There you go.